Student, we have seen the properties of cube numbers in our previous video. Today we will go with the cube root. As you in the slide you can see that there is a symbol of a root and there it is written 3. It means cube root is represented by under root with 3. 3 it means it is a cube and the root it means root. So cube root. Cube root. Now taking the cube root of a perfect cube will give you the dimension of the one edge of the cube. As you can see in the slide, there is a cube with dimension 3, 3, 3. 3 is the length, 3 is the breadth of the cube and 3 is the height of the cube. So the cube root of 27 is equals to 3. As we are multiplying 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is 27. It means pair, it means 3 numbers pair. Here in square root we are taking a pair of 2 numbers, but in cube roots we have to take the pair of 3 numbers. So pair of 3 3's will give you 27. That's why the cube root of 27 is 3. As you can see that there is a special symbol for cube root. A square root is only this blue color, but for cube root you have to write 3 outside the root. It means that is cube root. If you will write only that blue color symbol, then it will be square root. For cube root you must have to represent 3 outside the square root. Okay, so this could be said that the cube root of 27 is equals to 3. Just like square roots are the opposite of the squaring a number, cube root are the opposite of cubing a number. That you know कि 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is 27. So cube root of 27 is 3. The same way 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 64. That's why the cube root of 64 is equals to 4. You can see with the help of this x cube is equals to under root cube root of x. So a cube root goes in the other direction. You can see some of the perfect cube numbers from 1 to 10. Under root of 1 is 1, under root of 4 is 2, 9 is 3. But as you will see the cube roots, cubes. So cube of 2 is 8. Cube of 2 is 8. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 4 is 64. Cube of 5 is 125. Cube of 6 is 216. Cube of 7 that is 343. Cube of 8 that is 512. Cube of 9 that is 729. And cube of 10 that is 1000. Cube of 11 it is 1331. Cube of 12 it is 1728. At least you have to learn the cubes from number 1 to 10. Now how to find out the cube root of a number. So there is a I will show you how to find out it method of finding a perfect cube. To check whether a given number is a perfect cube or not, the first step that we are following in square root also, that we are following or we can resolve the given number into prime factors. Okay, so the first step is to resolve into prime factors. Second step, we have to make a group, but here the group will be of triples. Okay, not double. In square we are taking double. In cubes we will take triples. Okay, so group together the triples of like prime factors. If no factor is left ungrouped, the given number is a perfect cube. If any of the factor is left ungrouped, it means the given number is not a perfect cube number. Let's see with the help of an example. Here it is 8000. When you will resolve it and find out the prime factors, you will get 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, multiply by 5 into 5 into 5. As we are making the triplet pair of triples, so 3 2 it means 1 pair, this 3 2 it means 1 pair, this 3 5s it means 1 pair. And when we will take out of a pair, we will take a single one. So out of the pair of these 3 2 we will get a 2. Out of the pair of next 3 2's we will get a 2. And out of a pair of 5 triples we will get 1 5. So the cube root of the number 8000 is 20. What is the cube root of the number 8000? It is 20. In this way we can find out the cube root by using estimation method also. So how to find out by estimated method? From group of the 3 starting from the rightmost digit. It means from unit place to the highest place we will make the group. Whenever we are making a group in cube roots, the group will be of 3 numbers. If in at last if 1 2 or any number will be left out, no problem, but from unit place we will combine 3 number. Okay, like you can see in the example 17576. I will start the make group from 6, that is the unit place. 6 7 and 5 they are in one group, and these 2 numbers are only left 1 7, so leave it as it is. Then first we will take 576. As you know कि the digit 6 at one's place will now take as 6 required at the unit place. So 6 is again at the unit place of the cube root of the number. Now 17 will decide कि what number should be in front of 6. So by 17 you have to take the nearest approximation cube numbers nearer to 17. As cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27. 27 is greater, we cannot take 27, it means we cannot take 3. So the number is between 2 and 3, so we will take 2 as the required number, and 6 is already in the unit place, that's why the required cube is 26. So in this way you can find out cube root by estimation also. So in this way we have completed 2 methods of estimating the cube root. One is your prime factorization and second one is your estimating the prime factorization.